Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Umas Tech. So guys, I will request all of you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and in this video we will talk about how to earn money from five squid in Pakistan. So we will talk about in it as we are seeing the methods of earning. And here in this video we will talk about the five squid. So let us start. What is five squid? It is similar platform to fiverr. It means its similarities is to the fiverr, but most probably UK based clients hire freelancers from here. It means UK based clients clients hire the freelancers. It means UK-based clients uh, uh, hire the freelancers, and after it, you can easily sell your skills, services to well-reputed. You can sell also your services, sell services. Uh, Dealing will be only in pounds sterling. It means its currency is in its currency is pounds sterling. You can easily start selling 5 pounds sterling. And next, if we see, basically it is a British based freelance marketplace. It is British based marketplace marketplace and where you are allowed to sell your services and skills. You can sell your services and skills. Now, if we see that after it was launched in Pakistan in 2011. When was launched in Pakistan, it was 2011, and in such a short time, it has taken place to be one of most reputed platform. Now it is most reputed platform. After it, if we see for online earning without investment, uh, no investment, it means investment, no need of investment, and it has almost billion users that are actively working. Users, its users are about billions of users, billion of users are there that are working on it, and some of now this was all about the five squid in Pakistan, and it is method of online earning where you can make your online earning, and it is similar platform. If we set it in bullets, let me check it. Now you can see it in points. It is method of online earning and similar platform about related to Fiverr, and all these information are also provided. You can subscribe our channel.